United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 178. Immunity from legal process. The authority, its property and assets, shall enjoy immunity from legal process except to the extent that the authority expressly waives this immunity in a particular case. Article 179. Immunity from search and any form of seizure. The property and assets of the authority, wherever located and by whomsoever held, shall be immune from search, requisition, confiscation, expropriation, or any other form of seizure by executive or legislative action. Article 180. Exemption from restrictions, regulations, controls and moratoria. The property and assets of the authority shall be exempt from restrictions, regulations, controls and moratoria of any nature.